see, and roll thee down from the rocks, and will make thee a burnt mountain. Let's read this again. It says, and I will stretch out mine hand upon thee, and roll thee down from the rocks, and will make thee a burnt mountain. So what we're reading here is pretty much the chronological order, if you will, concerning the judgment that Yahweh Shai has prepared for Esau, the so-called white man, which will be climaxed in the form of World War III. That's what it means when it says, and will make thee a burnt mountain. That's the climax, if you will. That's touching the judgment that the Lord has prepared for Esau. But it will be preceded by this man being rolled down from the rocks, which again is a process. You know, imagine someone being thrown from a high and lofty mountain. Well, that process is going to be emphatic. So much so that you're going to witness the fall, seeing that it's from a high and lofty position, you know, versus someone who fall from the first step. Well, that fall would be so quick to where if you turn your head, you just might miss it. But if someone fall down a flight of stairs, you're going to witness it. And that fall is going to be so emphatic to where you have to acknowledge that that person is falling. Well, this is where we at in this process as touching the so-called white man and his fall from grace. It's apparent, it's obvious, it's now being physically manifested here in this time. So much so to what